Rise and shiner sign. Yesterday we took out the air canister charcoal thingy. We cleaned the engine bay, kind of. Yeah, super clean. Look at that, you could eat off that. What up world, it's BK here. This is a Trash to Track where we try to get this thing started and running in the next 14 days because arbitrary goals and challenges push us forward, I guess. Today, what we're gonna do is remove this strut bar and try to get the head off. And yeah, then from there we can block off all the crap and hopefully have a much simpler situation. I think this should be bolted all the way. Always. Trying to learn from my mistakes and look at the book this time. We need to take the cover off to get to the intake manifold. Let's see if Orange is happy. Okay, you can unclench your butt now. Whoever worked on this car last is a gangsta. This is probably why it came out. Some squishy marks. It's not perfect. I think it's good enough. I'm okay with the condition of the belt. I'm gonna change it eventually when we replace the water pump thermostat, and I feel like it's a good time to take a break, talk about what we've done, and go over what's left to do. So far in day 5, we have removed most of the intake plenum, and we have inspected the timing belt. We've located a lot of really screwed up wires. What's left today is to, just get the plenum off. Our main goal is to get the plenum off, so then tomorrow we can start making block off plates. I'm hopeful that the car has good compression. That's right now my biggest concern, is I really just want, I just really want this to at least rip for a little bit. On day 5 of Trash to Track, where we take the Z31 and try to get to the track in 14 days. Appreciate you joining. Today we took off the intake plenum as well as inspected the timing belt. If you want to see how this transforms, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend. Have a good day.